Hello family, welcome back to my home. I hope you guys is having a wonderful day. It's your girl Simone. In today's video, we will be cleaning and decorating my dining room. I'm also going to be giving you guys a tour as well. I've been getting a few questions on where certain items came from, so I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're an existing family member, welcome back. I truly do appreciate all of the love and the support. Thank you. Okay guys, you had some questions about the table. My table was purchased at Rooms to Go. It is so beautiful and I love it. It was purchased in 2018. I am also going to use a white runner that I purchased from Ross. I had that for quite some time now. I'm also going to layer it with this silver runner that I picked up from Home Goods. That was part of my Christmas collection that I did not get to use, so I'm just going to use that today. I'm going to use this Glam tray that I purchased from Ross, and that was $19.99. I'm using the small Glam vase that I picked up from Burlington to house these flowers that I got from Burlington as well. My candle holders are from Burlington. I'm using the small little bird that I picked up from Ross. My candles are from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to use the small mirror tray that I picked up from Burlington. And my vase is from Burlington as well as the flowers. So let's see what everything look like, you guys, while we continue with the tour. My server is from Rooms to Go as well. I'm just using it to house some of my extra glasses. My lamps are from Home Goods, and I'm using a simple curtain tie back that I purchased from Ross, but you can also pick those up at Amazon. You guys had a question about my mirror, and it's two mirrors put together and they are from Amazon. I wanted to create a showstopper. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. My beautiful chandelier, it is from Amazon. It is so pretty and I just love it. You guys also had questions about my wall color, and it is called Black Strap. You can get that from Home Depot in bare Ultra. You can also find it at Lowe's in the Valspar brand, and I am using a satin finish. My wall sconces are from Z Gallery. They were gold, and I spray paint them silver. My canvas is from Burlington. The vase and the plant is from Burlington as well. I picked up that metal artwork from Ross. It was gold, and I spray painted silver. And I found that Glam candle holder at Burlington, and I just have a battery operated candle in there. I thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.